General ventilation can be classified into two main designs: the widely applied push-pull method and RoboVent's revolutionary Vortex design. What we will show here is the comparison between the two and how this impacts on your manufacturing plant layout and on your bottom line. In some manufacturing facilities, it is simply not possible to capture the pollutants at the source. Overhead crane access may be essential, or weldments may be very large and can't be placed under hoods. In some cases, the factory layout must be kept flexible due to frequent production run changes. In such situations, manufacturers will often use the general ventilation method to clean the entire air volume inside the plant environment. General ventilation, also known as ambient air filtration, simply means that after the contaminants are generated and released into the air inside the facility, they are conveyed by the air circulation pattern to be captured and cleaned out in an air filtration unit. Over the years, many types of ambient air filtration designs have been employed with varying degrees of success. Recently, a commonly applied system is the push-pull method, where the air is blown out from one duct run across the factory and drawn to the intake duct on the opposing side, simultaneously capturing the airborne particulate. Push-pull has proved to be effective at removing the airborne pollutants from the factory air, but there are inherent limitations and restrictions in applying this method. In this demonstration, we filled the room with over 17 million particles per cubic foot to show the operation of the push-pull system. In 20 minutes, the room was clean and measuring under 16,000 particles. It is clearly seen how the air moving across the room from the push duct to the pull duct captures the smoke so it can be filtered out by the dust collector unit. However, the limitations of the push-pull method includes additional costly installation labor and material expenses for the long duct runs, which also cause obstructions to the work area. These ducts also become monuments in the plant as they are not easily reconfigured or repositioned, compared to a ductless standalone unit. One of RoboVent's remarkable innovations is the Vortex System. Using individual standalone units, rotational air patterns are created throughout the facility, circulating the entire air volume to carry pollutants back to a Vortex unit where the air is filtered and the clean air is returned to the plant to accelerate the circular air pattern. These units are truly flexible and can be repositioned to accommodate reconfiguration of the factory floor layout because they are not constrained to fixed duct runs. In this demonstration, we filled the room with over 17 million particles per cubic foot to show the operation of the Vortex system. In 20 minutes, the room was clean and measuring under 16,000 particles. The air circulating around the room from the directional outlet louvers mean that every airborne particle becomes entrained and carried across an air filtration unit to be captured. The Vortex system has proven itself to be an extremely competent clean air solution in manufacturing plants today due to its flexibility, ease of maintenance, savings on utility costs, and its rapid and economical implementation process. RoboVent, leading innovation from the clean air consultants.